Hi everyone. Here I am going to discuss about stack operations using arrays program. So what is a stack? Stack is a linear data structure. What are the basic operations on stack? All of you know about basic operations on stack, that is push, pop, display. Push is nothing but inserting the element into the stack. Pop is nothing but delete the element from the stack, and display is nothing but whatever the elements will be there in stack, that elements will be displayed. Okay, here I'll define stack max size is 10. So we have to the maximum elements in the stack will be 10 only. After that, int array of stack max size, so array size maximum size is 10. So here before inserting the element into the stack, top will be -1. If any element will be inserted, this top will be incremented. So before inserting the element, the top will be -1. Next, here I'll write the printf statement stack using arrays. Here while of 1. While of 1 is nothing but every time the condition will be true. In this program, I can my stack operations are push, pop, display, is empty condition, peek and exit. Push is nothing but inserting the element into the stack, pop is nothing but deleting, and display the elements. Is empty is nothing but if the stack is empty or not. Here you have to check the stack is empty or not. And next one is peek. Peek is nothing but you have to display the topmost element on the stack. Next one is exit. Here using scanf I can read my option. So here I'll choose case 1. So here case 1 printf element. What is the element now? First I have to insert the element 10. So push of x. Push of x is nothing but function call. The cursor goes to function call of function definition of push. Here what is the element value? In element value is 10. So that will be comes here. After that, if top is equal to stack size -1. What is the what is the top value? -1 is equal to stack max size is 10, right? 10 minus 1 9. -1 is equal to 9. Condition false. The cursor goes to else part. Here top is equal to top plus 1. What is the initial top value? -1. -1 plus 1, that is 0. So here 0. Top is equal to 0. That what is the element value? 10. That will be inserted in array of 0. That is now in stack only one element will be there, that is 10. Okay, after that I'll write the statement printf successfully pushed. So the element will be pushed. Again I can choose case 1. So again the cursor comes here. So what is now? Enter the element using scanf. I can read the element as 20. Here this is the function call for push. The cursor comes here. So element is 20. So again you have to check the condition. What is the top value now? 0. 0 is equal to 9. Condition false. So again cursor comes to else part. Here what is the top value? Previous top value is 0. Top plus 1, 0 plus 1 1. Now top is equal to 1. Next element 20 will be inserted in array of 1. Next I can write the statement printf. So successfully pushed will be printed. After that I can choose second option. What is the second option here? Pop. The cursor goes to pop pop function definition. Here what is the top value? After inserting the elements, top will be 1, right? After inserting 2 elements, the top will be incremented by 2 positions. So top will be 1. 1 is equal to -1. Condition true or false? 1 is equal to -1. Condition false. So the cursor goes to else part. Here array of top. Which value will be there in array of top? 20 will be there in array of top, right? So that will be stored in element. So 20 will be stored in element. Now top is equal to top -1. What is the top value now? 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now top value will be 0. After that popped value is equal to %d comma element. In element variable which value will be there? 20. So that element will be deleted. So using pop function I have to use for pop function for deleting the element 20. After that I can choose peak. Peak is case 3, right? Sorry. Peak is case 5. So I can choose case 5. Here I can check the condition top less than 0. What is the top value now? 0. 0 less than 0 condition false. It goes to else part. Peak value is equal to percentage d comma array of top. So in top 0 will be there. Which value will be there in array of 0? 10. That will be your peak value. So peak value is equal to percentage d is nothing but 10. Peak value is equal to 10 will be printed. After that I can choose display function. That is case 3. The cursor comes to function definition of display here. So here top less than 0. What is the top value now? 0. 0 less than 0 condition false. The cursor comes to else part. Here printf stack in elements of the stack are here for here for of I is equal to top. So for of I is equal to top. For of int I is equal to top. What is the I value now? What is the top value? Top will be 0. That will be stored in I. Now I is equal to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0. Condition true. Here equal condition is also there. So 0 greater than or equal to 0 condition true. Printf array of 0. Which value will be there in array of 0? 10. 10 will be printed. After that I can write printf /n is used to the cursor comes in to the next line. So next I can choose 6. 6 is nothing but exit. The cursor comes out of the program. Now I display the execution of the program. So this is the stack program. See here I can run the program now. Here I will choose the option 1, that is enter your element. My element is 10. Successfully pushed, that is nothing but successfully insert the element into the stack. After that I can again choose 1. So my element will be 20. So successfully pushed. This element also inserted successfully into the stack. Next I can choose pop operation, that is case 2. So 2. Popped value is 20. That is 20 will be deleted from the stack. After that I'll choose 3. 3 is nothing but display. So elements of the stack are 10. Only one element will be there, that will be displayed here. After that I'll choose 4. 4 is nothing but is empty condition. So here 10 will be there in the stack, so it will show stack is not empty. So after that I'll choose 6. 6 is nothing but exit. The cursor comes out of the program. This is nothing but execution of stack program. Thank you.